Morning students, today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study mathematics of class 10th, chapter number 3. It is on your book page number 38 to 39. The chapter name is Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. So, what is linear equation first of all? We have studied already. Linear equation is an equation in which we have the degree as 1. Degree is your maximum power. Okay, maximum power of variable. Now what is variable? There are two variables. Why two variables? Like we take an example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Here the two variables are x and y, and the maximum power of this equation having of variable is 1. So it is a linear equation with the two variables. Now pair of linear equation means we have a pair of equation. This is one equation, the other one we take as 5x plus y is equal to 0. Now it become a pair of linear equation in which we have the equation number 1 this and the equation number 2 as this. So let us discuss how the pair of linear equation in two variables are being solved and how they are being related. Okay, means what they have the common solution in them, or they don't have any common solution. So let us consider an example of Akhila. That is, she went to a fair in village. She wanted to enjoy a ride on giant wheel. So she wanted to enjoy a ride on giant wheel and play hopla. What is hopla? Hopla is a game in which the person is provided with a ring, and he or she has to throw it on the items kept in the stall. Okay, so hopla is a game in which you throw a ring on the items kept in a stall, and if the ring covers that item completely, you will get it. So the game is shown over here. The ring is in her hand, and the items are placed over here in the stall. So if she throw it, and if the ring covers the item, she will get it. Now what they given a condition to us that the number of times she played hopla is half the number of rides she had take on the giant wheel. Means the rides she had on the giant wheel is double of the number of games she played for hopla. Or you can say that the number of times she played hopla is half of the number of ride she had on the giant wheel. कि जितनी बार उसने होपला खेला वो आधा था जितनी बार उसने जाइंट व्हील पे राइड ली. Okay, if each ride cost her 3 rupees and each game of hopla cost her 4 rupees, how would you find the number of rides she had and how many times she played the hopla if she spent, or if she provided with 20 rupees which she spent? Okay, now you may know, you 1 minute, maybe you will try by considering different case. Okay, you will consider different cases. If she has one ride, is it possible? It is possible to have two rides. So by considering these cases, you may get to the solution, but it will take time. Or you may take the knowledge of class ninth, which you to represent the situation as linear equation in two variables. So let us study how we represent the following situation in linear equation with two variable. Let's use that knowledge. Okay, so now let us try this approach. Denote the number of rides that Akhila had be x. Number of rides she had is x. Then the number of times she played Hopla is y. And we know that the number of times she played Hopla is half of the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. So we have related it, y is equal to 1 by 2 of x. The second case is she had provided or she spent 20 rupees in total. We know that the ride on the giant wheel is rupees of 3 each, and the Hopla game is of rupees 4 each. So if she had x rides, that means 3 into x rupees is spent on the giant wheel ride, and if she had y Hopla games, then 4 into y is the money spent on the Hopla game. So the total cost is, means the total money spent is 20 rupees. So this is your second equation. Clear? Can we find the solution of this pair of equation? Okay, this pair of equation means the equation number 1 and equation number 2. These are the pair of equation, means two equations we have. So there are several ways of finding these, which we will study in chapter. Okay, so this is what pair of linear equation. Now we will move further. Pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, we will solve this question in example number 1 in our video. Okay, recall from class 9 that the following are the example of linear equation in two variables, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now x minus 0y is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 2. So you also know that an equation which can be put in the form of, this is important, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Now this a and b are not both 0 means if a and b become 0, the equation will have no variable. Suppose if a is equal to 0 and b is also equal to 0, that means our equation will become 0x plus 0y plus c is equal to 0. That means c is equal to 0. Now there in this equation we don't have any variable, and this is not the possible condition they are saying, and this condition can be either represented by a and b are not both 0. Okay, is called a linear equation in two variable, and this condition where a and b both are not 0 is represented by a square plus b square is not equal to 0. How it is represented? A square plus b square is not equal to 0, means one of them is non-zero, should be non-zero, and both can't be non-zero simultaneously. No, both can't be 0 simultaneously. That they want to say a and b are not both 0. Okay, now you also studied that a solution of such equation is is a pair of values, one for the x and other for the y. Means इनका सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे तो x और y की वैल्यू आएगी. Okay, which makes the two sides of the equation equal. Means in which the equation become like the equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. If we have a solution where x has certain value and y also have certain value, when we place this value on the left hand side, this is your left hand side, it will give a solution which is equal to the right hand side. Okay, which will equal to the right hand side. So let us discuss. Suppose we have a solution x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. Then we substitute the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 on the left hand side. So left hand side is equal to 2x plus 3y. Now 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, because x and y are 1. That means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And we are able to see that on the in the equation the RHS is also 5. So LHS is equal to RHS, means this is the solution of this equation. If LHS is not coming equal to the RHS, that means that particular pair of value of x and y is not the solution of the linear equation in two variable. Okay, so geometrically, okay, suppose x equal to y and x equal to 1 and y equal to 7, then we are getting LHS equal to 23 and RHS is not equal to the RHS. That means we can say that x equal to 1 and y equal to 7 is not the solution of the linear equation in two variable. Okay, now geometrically what does this means? Geometrically इसका क्या मतलब है? It means that the point 1 comma 1 means 1 comma 1 means x comma y coordinate. Okay, 1 comma 1 lies on the line representing the equation. Means when we draw the line graph, okay, when we draw a line graph for the linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5, on that graph or on that line graph we are able to get the point 1 comma 1. They want to say that it means that the point 1 comma 1 lie on the line representing the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and the point 1 comma 7 does not lie on it. जब हम ग्राफ बनाएंगे इक्वेशन 2x plus 3y equal to 5 के लिए, तो जो जिस पॉइंट से जिस x और y की वैल्यू से वो इक्वेशन सॉल्व हो गई थी, LHS इक्वल टू RHS आया था, वो पॉइंट उस ग्राफ के ऊपर लाई करेगा और जिससे आंसर नहीं आ रहा था जैसे कि 1,7, तो वो उस ग्राफ के ऊपर लाई नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो एवरी सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन इज अ पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन रिप्रेजेंटिंग इट. तो जो इससे हमने लाइन ग्राफ बनाया लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल का, उसके ऊपर जितने भी पॉइंट होंगे वो उस इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशन होंगे. इज इट क्लियर? थैंक यू.